you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Cash App, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to payment processing issues. Step 2. Verify your payment method. Make sure that the payment method linked to your Cash App account is valid. Check if your debit or credit card has not expired and has sufficient funds available. Step 3. Update Cash App. Ensure that you have the latest version of Cash App installed on your device. Go to your App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. Step 4. Review Cash App limits. Cash App has certain limits on transactions. Check if you have reached your sending or receiving limits, which could be causing the declines. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Cash App support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into your account and help resolve any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to address the payment decline issues on Cash App effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.